Hey guys, it's the Ugly Prospector here, Partridge Family Prospecting, and we are today at Wild River. It's right on the border of Maine and New Hampshire, over by it's Shelburne and Gilead, I think. Anyway, it's on Evans Notch. Real pretty place. We're camping at the Wild River campground. Right now we're not at it. We're down the road at a swimming spot, but I'm gonna flip you around here and we're gonna take a walk down. All right, here we go. Let's take a walk. See what I see. It's absolutely gorgeous down here. Nice little brook coming down here. It's pretty. All right. You can see we're on high water. This comes right up through here. We're right on a bend here. I'll show you as soon as I walk down in here without tripping myself, hopefully. Oh boy. All right. All right. So this is what we're seeing. Check this out. That bedrock. All the way down. We get a little closer. And we got Megan.
Hi.
And Jacob. Hey Jacob, say hey.
Say hi.
Say hi, Ariana. Hey Ariana. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. And of course Daryl Dog down there. And his faithful sidekick Obi. This is what we're looking at. We got
a mini waterfall.
We got a nice little waterfall coming out. But what I'm looking, got an island right there. That's what I'm looking at. And I don't know, you can zoom in here, let's see. And I'm looking out, this is an outside bend right there. But on the other side of this, where we're at, is the whole inside bend. I'm going to try my best to get over here so you can see. And this is all bedrock all the way down. This whole thing, I don't know if you guys can see that. It goes right down to big boulders. I will be painting this shortly. And probably running the Green Mountain Gold Trap today. A lot of little spots for stuff to catch. I cannot wait to check this out. And it all comes together right here, right on this inside corner. I can't wait to check it out. And then again, it turns. But this is all really huge. Anyway, I'm going to get back to this, and we're going to be painting and doing stuff all day tomorrow. We'll do an update at the campsite, and we'll get back to y'all. I would love to say this black sand was loaded with gold, but not so much. I'll pull it back a little for you here, but it's nice, and it's right off the top of someplace. So I think if I keep looking all day tomorrow, we may have better luck. I saw a couple specks earlier. They were, I'm talking, I don't know if I can get them on here. It is like flour, you know, like the consistency of bread flour. Gold. Anyway, we're gonna next time we'll do some camping stuff here shortly, and we're just doing a quick one tonight. We are going to be back all day tomorrow. We're gonna be probably in a different spot, but right on an inside bend somewhere, and we are gonna go absolutely crazy. Kids are loving it. Jacob's tired and hungry. He wants hot dogs, and Ariana just could swim like a fish all day. Say hi to YouTube, Ariana. Anyway, and Obi's first day camping ever. He's not sure what to think. He's pretty tired though. And Daryl, hey you, hey Daryl, hi. Daryl Dog's been running. So anyway, we'll talk to you soon. All right, guys, it's the Ugly Prospector. This is where we're at. We are camping today, just one night, quickly up in the White Mountain National Forest. It is the Wild River Campground. We're right pretty close to the river. I can hear it. Can't really see it from the campsite. I'll show you the campsite real quick. It's a pretty nice. There's a Jacob. He's waiting for hot dogs. And this is the tent we just got. I'm pretty excited about it, actually. Got a really good deal on it. If I can unzip it one-handed, which is probably not going to happen. There we go. This is what we're looking at. It's pretty cool. Pretty good size. It's almost as big as our camper was. A little lighter. Anyway. Nope, you can't go in. Going to attempt to use battery power to run my stuff tonight. See if it worked. I got a small inverter. Hopefully that'll do it. Got a fire going. And I don't know if you guys can hear it, but you can hear the stream behind us over there. And I don't know, we're all set up. We're going to have some hot dogs. Hey, Ariana. Oh, yeah. Anyway, we'll talk to you guys soon.